Hello and welcome everyone once again to this channel. Good day, good afternoon, good evening, considering whenever you're watching this video. So in today's video, I really got a lot of complaints about people trying to say my ALC is missing, I can't find my ALC, I can't find my foundational courses, I can't locate this or that in my dashboard. So I have actually made this video just to address that particular issue. So in today's video, I'm really going to navigate the dashboard of the 3MTT, whereby you're going to see everything that you need to see on your dashboard. Whatever you're looking for on your dashboard, I'm going to help you to locate it at the right spot where it is. So follow me now, let's walk through this. So if you have been admitted as a fellow of the 3MTT, you are going to log into your portal through the 3MTT website. That is 3mtt.nitda.gov.ng, and that's the site where I am now. So if you are here, you're just going to click on the login. So let me click on the login right now. Okay. So right now here I've already saved my credentials in this my site, so I would just need to enter them and sign in right now. Okay, so let me log in. So here I am logged in right now. So here I have seen my name, my fellow ID, everything about my profile is right on my dashboard. So the next thing I'm going to see here going down is my profile. So my profile is the detail I filled when I was registering for the 3MTT program. So in this particular case, this is my name, my email, my address, my age, the course I registered, my employment status, my gender, education level, phone, my state of residence, my LG of residence, state of origin, skill level, and all of you. So in this case right now, say for example, I want to change my ALC or I want to change my LGA. What I'm going to go to is to click on this update profile. And when I go to this update profile, it will give me the option to change my profile. But in my own case right now, whereby I'm in cohort 2, I can no longer change my profile anymore, right? So, but for those in cohort 3 or cohort 4, I think they have access to change their profiles, right? So in that case, you can just come to your local government of residence and change the local government. You can also change your course, right? So after changing that, you go to update. But for the cohort 2 fellows, right now you cannot actually change your profile any longer. Okay. So the next thing is the community section. So in the community section is where you're going to see two sub tabs right now. So in this case, the first one is the webinars. So what are these webinars? These webinars are different meetings or engagements that the 3MTT have earlier had, whereby if you want to gain some knowledge about the 3MTT, you can just go to the webinar and then get those knowledge. Probably, and most of them are YouTube videos that have been actually done by the team or by community members to help enlighten the fellows on how to navigate through the TMTT journey. So in that particular case, you can just come here, and if you want to watch any particular webinar, you can come here and find them. Now, the next in the community is the resources. Now, in the resources are where all the courses have been moved to for probably majorly the cohort 2 fellows. So because right now the cohort 2 have begun their physical training, so all the courses that they are learning have been moved to the resources section. So if you still want to find your foundational courses, you can still find them here. So let's say I'm in cybersecurity. One of the courses I'm doing, my foundational course, is cybersecurity. So I can just come here and look for cybersecurity, cybersecurity, right? And then I'm going to see all the courses related to cybersecurity. knowing fully well that the foundational courses are the LinkedIn learning courses. This cybersecurity course, that is the LinkedIn learning course, is actually the foundational course for me. If I want to begin my foundational course also, I'll just have to click on this particular course right here now. And then here you can see, this is the course I'm supposed to do for my foundational course, and I can begin it from here. So other courses also, the soft skills, the professional the English for IT1 and English for IT2, the career essentials in generative AI are all in this resources section. So I can find them here and begin my foundational course if I want to do that. So the next is the My Courses section. In the My Courses section, you're going to find the Applied Learning content and the assessment. So in the Applied Learning content is where you're going to find your course modules. So here is where I'm going to go and begin my course. If I click on any of those tabs right now, it is opening. So you can see I have access to my course module for the week. And everything, the assignment is also here for me to work on. The next under the My Courses section is the assessment. So the assessment tab is where I'm going to see the assignments and submissions. So if I have done an assignment, I'm going to see them here. If I've also submitted and they have graded me, I'm also going to see them under the submissions tab. So for example, here now I have submitted my assignment, but I have not been graded. Let me see what my AS is saying. So he has not commented. That means the assignment has not been graded. Okay. So the next is the ALC attendance under the tabs. So here is where you're going to see if you have been attending classes or not. So in this case now, right now, I have actually attended only a class, and we only had just a class, right? So it has also said that I have already been confirmed that I have attended my classes. So if I've also attended subsequent classes, I'm also going to see them here to be marked. Do you understand? So the next is the jobs and gigs. The jobs and gigs section is a place whereby if jobs are posted, this is where you're going to see them. So in this case right now, we have only this Work Nigeria and this Seamless HRO jobs that are open for one to apply, right? So you can actually, when more jobs come in, you're also going to see them here open, and you can have the options to apply for them. So the next is the survey. So the survey section will usually contain questionnaires, probably if they want to maybe get some information from you to know how your ASC is doing, or how your community manager has been doing, or whatever. So here's where you're going to see the survey questionnaire that you are supposed to answer and revert back to the 3MTT organizers. The next are your certificates. So usually here is where you're supposed to actually upload your certificates, your professional soft skills, or your courses that you have done in 3MTT. You're supposed to upload them here. So if I have actually done my professional soft skills, right, I'm actually supposed to come here, go to upload certificate, and I'm going to click on the online learning provider. So in this case, let's say the people that gave me the certificate is my LinkedIn Learning. I'm going to click on LinkedIn Learning, right? So I'm going to select the online course I took from them. So in this case, let's say I took the ALS, career readiness, or professional soft skills, or English for IT2, or whatever. I'm going to click on that, right? And then I'm also going to open this particular place to select the file from my local directory, and then upload in my 3MTT dashboard. So the next is the FAQ, so frequently asked questions that one may ask, or one is expected to be asked about 3MTT. So here I'm going to see some questions that probably someone will be asking. How long will the training program phase run? It says the average length of the program is for 3 months. Is physical attendance mandatory for the training session? So the training is hybrid, meaning that it combines both online and in-person attendances. So the majority of the training can be done remotely, and there are also aspects whereby you have to come and be on ground to take the training, right? And there are other questions that you may actually want to ask. Then the last one here is your status. So in this case, it has shown that I have been selected as a fellow for the phase of this program, and it is showing that I have been selected. And then if I've been selected, I'm also going to see a button below where I'm going to click. If I click on this button right now, it automatically will open the Telegram community for my state, right? So let's say in this case right now I am in River State. So it is actually going to direct me to the Telegram community of River State, whereby I am to join the community and get to interact with my fellows to know what it's all about 3MTT in my state, and how to locate my ALC, how to follow up with my colleagues in my learning track, right? So that is that about the dashboard, right? So here you have seen where you can actually select go to find your foundational courses. If you also have any issues that you may be having as regards the dashboard or any other issues as regards 3MTT, please put them in the comment section and I will do well to attend to them. With that being said, please subscribe to the channel for more updates so that when I post new videos about 3MTT, you'll be notified. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.